This video is designed to read out loud with the math notes 112. So if you do need help reading, or if you'd like to see it and analyze it with me, go ahead and continue watching the video. Otherwise, read the notes on your own from the textbook. Perimeter and area. The perimeter of a shape is the total length of the boundary that encloses the interior region on a flat surface. Now, looks like another name, when you see the parentheses, they're explaining the word boundary. The total length of the boundary, it means around the shape. So that's what perimeter is. So these are different words to describe perimeter. Now, that encloses the interior. So interior means also inside. So I could have said the perimeter of a shape is the total length around the shape that encloses the interior, the inside region of a flat surface. In the game, toothpicks and tiles, the number of tile side lengths or toothpicks is the same as the perimeter of the shape. See examples below. So you did that in class as well, example 1-8, I believe. So if I'm looking for perimeter, think of the toothpicks, or you're counting around. So this one says 20 units. So if you go around and you start counting from one corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on, you will get 20 units. Now, if we don't have those shapes, we have lengths. So this is a length of 5, length of 8, length of 4, and length of 6. So perimeter is adding all these measurements. So that's called total length. And notice it's staying in centimeters. So it's the same length as everything else because you're adding around the shape. The area is a measure of the number of square units needed to cover a region on a flat surface. In the game, the area is equal to the number of tiles in the shape. So let's look at over here. Area is actual the tiles, so the inside. So if you do count them, it's 11 square units. Notice that we count area in square units or units to the power of 2 because we're counting the inside. A rectangle is a quadrilateral, 4 sides, with 4 right angles. The opposite sides are equal in length. 2 sides that come together or meet at the right angle are referred to as the length and width, or base and height. The area A of any rectangle is found by the relationship A equals length times width. So this paragraph needs also analyzing. So first we have the definition for a rectangle. We need it to be a quadrilateral or 4 sides, but they also need to be right, the angles need to be right angles. Now we also know that the opposite sides are equal in length. Now, when you have the 2 sides come together, we are saying that we note that with a 90-degree little square. So this is what we know. It makes a 90-degree or a right angle. Now, to find the area of any rectangle, you need the length and the width. Also, base or height. So you could see it or hear it in different textbooks or in the classroom that some teachers might say length times width, but you can also use the words base and height. The operation that you're going to use, however, is multiplication. So we need the 5 times the 3, the length times the width, base times height. So in this case, the example is area is equal to 15 square units. Again, it's the squares because it's the inside. We have 3 groups of 5, or you can say 5 groups of 3 square units for area.